This video will demonstrate setting up the GL interface for cost of sales. From the main DAC menu, you will select menu options 1 File Maintenance, 7 GL Interface Maintenance, and 1 Work with GL Interface. The screen displayed is for setting up all GL interfaces. In this session, we'll set up and review the cost of sales interface, which is application code 003. At this time, we'll go ahead and restrict to company 001 and application code 003. For the cost of sales interface, we will set it up by category, and so therefore you'll need to set up a GL interface record for each category that you have defined. I'll show you an example of the system that we're using, the current categories. For the cost of goods, the debit account would be the cost of goods account or a purchasing account, and the credit would be the inventory. As you can see, we have records already set up. I'll show you how to edit those records. To change them or delete them, you'll use the option number 2 to edit. Here you could modify the debit and credit information, or you could press F11 to delete the record. At this point, if you've made changes, you can just press enter and enter to confirm, and it returns you to the GL interface setup screen. To add a new record, and we will add a record for cigarettes, so we'll press F10 to add. The GL application code and the GL company are defaulted. Our cursor is at the sales group, and the sales group is normally left blank. However, if you did need to direct customer sales and cost of sales to a particular or a different GL account number, you could set up a group and have that small group of customers directed to a different set of accounts. The reason code will be left blank for the initial records because you'll set up a cost of sales interface record for each category that you have, and you will leave the reason code blank. If you needed to direct some credits to a particular set of GL accounts other than the normal sales for cost of goods and inventory, then you would set the reason code for that by category also. But initially, you'll leave the reason code blank in the initial setup and then enter the category, and we're going to enter the record for cigarettes. So we press enter and enter to confirm. And now we're going to enter the debit information, which will be for cost of goods or purchases, whatever account you need that directed to. So we'll put the cost center and the GL account number. And then we'll enter the information for the credit information, which will be for inventory. And we'll put the cost center and the GL account number and press enter and enter to confirm. I'm going to F3 to return to the main GL interface menu or GL interface screen. And this concludes our GL interface setup for cost of sales.